Hi, Miss Milena. My name is Juan Cusba. I'm 18 years old. I live in Bogota, Colombia. My hobbies is play skate and go to the in bike. Sometimes I play with my family table games with my cats and with my cell phone too. So this video is making the my recipe, that is the rice with milk. So we're gonna start with the ingredients. One wood spoon, one pot, 2 cups from milk, 1 cup from for rice, 2 cinnamons, and this condensed milk. Okay, so to start, we put all the rice and the milk in the pot. Okay. Meanwhile, we add the cinnamon, the 2 cinnamons, to the blend, and with the wood spoon blend the rice with the cinnamon. We do that because it's very important the rice has the milk flavor. Then when the rice is almost ready, we put the mix in the fridge and wait for 1 hour. To finish, put the condensed milk to the blend and you can enjoy the rice with milk. And this is the end to how prepare rice with milk. Thank you.